Hey, PetClass family. If your dog is constantly scratching their ears, shaking their head, or you're noticing a bad smell coming from their ears, stop what you're doing because this video might be exactly what your dog needs. Today, I'm going to show you a simple natural remedy you can make at home that helps fight bacteria, yeast, inflammation, and even ear mites. And trust me, you don't want to miss this. Intro. Welcome back to PetClass, your go-to channel for smarter, safer, and more natural ways to care for your pets. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join the family, because we post helpful pet content like this all the time. Section 1. What's really going on? All right, let's talk real quick. Ear infections in dogs are very common, like way more common than most people think. And you might notice things like constant scratching, head-shaking redness inside the ear, or even that strong knee smell. Now here's something most dog owners don't realize. In many cases, the real cause is allergies. It could be food, dust, grass, or something in your home. When your dog's body reacts, the ears become inflamed. And once that happens, bacteria and yeast start growing. Fast. Let me ask you something. Has your dog ever had an ear infection before? Type yes or no in the comments. I really want to know how many of you are dealing with this right now. Section 2. Why this remedy is special. Now here's the interesting part. Most treatments only target one problem, but this natural remedy, it targets everything at once: bacteria, yeast, inflammation, ear mites. So instead of guessing the cause, you're covering all the bases. Section 3. Let's make the remedy. All right, let's get into it step by step. And don't worry, it's super simple. Ingredient 1, witch hazel. This is your base. It's natural, helps dry out excess moisture, soothes the ear, helps remove dirt and wax. You'll need about 5 tablespoons and make sure it's alcohol-free so it doesn't sting your dog's ears. Ingredient 2, apple cider vinegar. Now this one is powerful. Strong antifungal, helps fight bacteria, even works against stubborn infections. Add 1 tablespoon. Important, it must be diluted, never use it directly. Ingredient 3, colloidal silver. This is like your all-round protector. Fights bacteria, helps reduce inflammation, also supports healing. Add 1 teaspoon. Ingredient 4, neem oil. Now this is the secret weapon, helps kill ear mites. Antibacterial, antifungal. Anti-inflammatory, just 10 drops, don't overdo it. Section 4, mixing. Now mix everything together really well. Make sure the oil blends properly with the liquid. Store it in a closed container. Keep it in the fridge. Use within 1 week. Section 5, how to use it. This part is very important, so pay attention. 1, use a dropper or syringe. 2, gently lift your dog's ear. 3, add 2 to 3 drops per 10 pounds, about 4.5 kilograms. 4, then massage the base of the ear. You should hear a squishy sound. That means it's working inside. Let your dog shake their head after. That's completely normal. Do this twice a day for 5 to 7 days. Important warning, build trust. Now listen, if your dog's ear is very swollen, bleeding, or extremely painful, please go see a vet immediately. This remedy is great, but serious infections need professional care. Now I want to hear from you. Would you try this natural remedy for your dog? Or have you tried something like this before? Drop your answer in the comments. I read and reply to as many as I can. Outro. If this video helped you even a little, do me a favor. Like the video, comment your thoughts. Subscribe to PetClass for more powerful pet care tips, because at the end of the day, your pet deserves to be healthy, happy, and pain-free. And I'll see you in the next video.